Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Crypto GPT update. Alright, so GPT has something good that I see, and I'm going to talk about that thing that is good. We have a technical target that is still not met down here, but the levels are so oversold right now. Like there's a huge blood and discounts going on for GPT, and somewhere down the road we might actually see some very good entry opportunities as well. First of all, the RSI is quite down, and we're going to talk about the combination of the charts and the RSI as well. So you've actually been going down like this, and now you're trying to move sideways, maybe to go back up to the to the overbought levels at the moment. The reason why I'm saying that, there's something good I'm going to show you in a second. Let's remove the RSI, if the RSI wants to be removed right there, and go to the 1 hour time frame here. And the 1 hour time frame, you can see that just a little bit more drop is actually left, just one more drop. And if this happens or it doesn't happen, I'm not sure. They can even pump it from here and start to move to the upside. However, I've been predicting all this most to the downside, and that's what really matters. Now look at the RSI once again, and bringing in back the RSI. You do have the RSI right now making higher lows right here, and you have, like the prices are pushing down, the RSI is climbing to the upside. So there is a divergence here of, I think it's a bullish divergence right now, and this can cause the pump to the upside. And bullish divergence normally appears after you have a very big massive bloodbath like that one, and then the divergence start to disappear, to appear, just the same way as you can say that the divergence, the bearish divergence, were appearing right over here. Like you had this normal regular bearish divergence right here. The prices were moving up, the RSI was coiling sideways, so that was like a normal divergence right there. But right now you do have something very clear where the RSI is actually showing some intent to start to move to the upside. So you're moving up like that, the prices are going down. Somewhere down the road, I do believe that you're trying to actually pump to the upside. So let's see if you can actually touch the technical target, touch the target, then after touching the target, start to climb to the upside. That would be an amazing scenario and possibility. Let's look at the daily time frame. It seems like the EMAs is something that we might look forward to, but we don't even have the EMAs, right? So there's only 10 EMA at the moment, because the coin is actually very new and there's not too much data. On the daily time frame, you have a reversal candle, but you equally also have 3 black rows. So you got to be careful with the 3 black rows as well. And what I'm going to do is the following. I'm just going to hide the EMAs right there, and let's look at this pattern. Okay. So one thing you should be careful is a bear flag formation right here, because if you end up making it another technical target to the downside, then you have a bear flag that can cause the downtrend to happen even more, and I'm afraid for that one. And you can see that this is from there to there, and you might be looking for a little bit more drop, even to 0.060. So this is where you might finally end up trying to pump to the upside. Maybe perhaps you're trying to come down to this particular support here, and come down and retest these levels before you don't start to pump. The good sign is that bullish divergence is appearing slowly. It might take time for that bullish divergence to even play out. So that's one thing. And the second thing is this resistance line that I draw, and I want to see this resistance line being broken. If this resistance line gets broken before the prices are going down here, and you start to break the resistance prices here before that, then I think that bullish divergence is going to play out early and make a little bit of relief rally back to this particular area, which is going to be 0.09 right there, which is somewhere here from 0.078 here. So that's going to be a little bit of a pump up, and that's pretty much it for this update on GPT. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.